everybody. I've got a lot of videos to do today, so I'm just going to bring you this real quick tutorial on how to get your home page back. So sometimes you'll be opening up your computer and you'll come to this Bing page, and not everybody wants Bing. Like I normally have my home page set to the Google homepage because the search engine is so much better and finds more stuff, and it don't have all these pictures and streaming across my screen. So to get your home page back, you go up here to the top right hand corner where these three lines are at. You click on them and you come down here where it says options, and then you want to click use current page. If you click use current page, it's going to use the page that you're on now, like this page. So I don't want this page. My page is set to the Google home page. So now when you go here, home page, Google, you just click use current, and then that's it. You're saved. And then when you click on home page, it's going to refresh right back to your Google home page. So don't let them hijack your computer and change the settings without asking you, and set your home page to the home page you want. Maybe it's for your email or for your Facebook page or whatever you want your home page to be, but that's how you do it. So this is Harold. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the video, and I'll have another one for you soon. You guys have a great day.